In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to deposit Brokerage cash into Robinhood. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you have to do first is update Robinhood to its latest version through the Play Store. Ensure that you don't have any pending updates for the Robinhood app. Open it up and access your account by clicking on the little icon at the bottom right corner. Off the main menu after you go to your account, select the menu option by clicking on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. From your account menu page, you can now select the Transfers option, and inside the Transfers page or Transfers menu, you have a lot of options. The one that mostly applies to everyone who is trying to transfer or deposit brokered cash into Robinhood is the first one, Transfer to Robinhood Pro. Read the other ones and see if they apply to you. For example, transfer accounts into Robinhood or direct deposit. Whichever option you end up choosing, you will just have to go through a simple setup where you input the basic account information and number. And as long as all the information with input is valid and you follow through of the setup presented on the different options, you will be able to transfer your money into Robinhood. It really quickly